Hello guys, I hope you all are doing great. In this video, we're going to see all the repair business ideas. So what are these? These are the types of business ideas. Those can be started with little or very no investments, and it's like a one-time cost, and the less rest we will see. So first comes electronics repairing, mobile phone, AC, fridge, computer, washing machine repairing, and all those types of electronics goods. The second comes automotive repair. These are the big vehicles repairing. Next is home appliance repairing. This can be miscellaneous items. The next is house repair, for example roof, window, door, all these types of services. The next is cycle, rickshaw, van, and these types of vehicle which are which are not run on motors. We all have seen famous cycles repairing shops in every portion of the country, right? So the next is chimney repair. The next is bookbinding repair. Next comes boat repair. Next is gas and parts repair. Next, iron tools repair. The next is shoe repair. And next, bag repair. Next, screen repair. This can be a miscellaneous screen, like for example mobile screen, LED TV screens, all those things. The next is wooden items repair, or you can say the carpentry services. The next is musical instrument repair. The next is plumbing services. And that's it guys. So subscribe if you like these types of unique videos that I make. Always stay safe. Bye.